Hello everyone, this is Sketchman Boris. I apologize in advance. I have I don't know what I have. I don't have fever, but I have a runny nose for some reason, and yeah, it's not nice. So sorry about that. Um, so I really didn't want to show the whole thing, but so I'm going to be working on this. Uh, Let me just color pick. So I'm a comic book artist. I make comics. I do usually these comic strips. So just so you know, the software I'm using is Script Studio Paint, and so it's Script Studio Paint X. And what else? I drew this because I love using the traditional medium and inking with brush pen traditionally. So um, it's just an idea I had. So we were at the uh, International Book Fair in Bangkok. And yeah, so Thursday, for like really unexpectedly, when we were at the book fair at our booth, um, we were hit with uh, earthquake. And for the moment, I mean, I've experienced earthquake in India once, but this was the first time like I could really feel it. Like the when I was in India, it was well, it was not that strong. Let's just say to keep it short. And I kind of feel like it had a physical like effect on my body. I mean, um, like I was feeling dizzy yesterday. So so it happened. So now as I'm recording this, this is Monday, and the um the earthquake happened was like Friday, and yeah. So I was feeling dizzy, and I think that's why like I kind of ended up being sick. It's okay, it's not that serious. But anyway, I just had this idea that I wanted to draw as a comic strip, and it just kind of like I love kind of talking and drawing is like kind of like a you are kind of like the accountability buddy for me. I will reveal different parts of what we do, and so actually here we could actually I love doing this uh, fill lasso fill. So like I said, I ink this with a brush pen, uh, and I took a photo. A lot of people don't know this, or I mean they forget, is that your phone, because I was kind of like oh, I mean, it's just a lot of work to open the scanner, to turn on the printer slash scanner and scan it. Well, connect it to the computer and all that steps. But now I use my phone. When you open the camera, there's a document function, and it's okay. Like if it goes over a little bit. See, you're not supposed to be looking at. I mean, the reason I'm keeping it zoomed in like this is I also want you to enjoy the finished uh, cartoon or comic when it's finished. You know? So we're very proud that we published our first comic. When I say we, in our magazine that I founded called the Picky Zine, and I have to, yeah, that's another comic um, that I did. Again, you can go to my Instagram, Sketchman Boris, see that. Here's Go by Alter Ego. How can I explain him as the voice in my head? I mean, we all kind of imagine other people. It's as if like someone is in our head and like telling us things. It's basically just us, right? But um, it is a lot of fun just imagining things. And it's like I like um, at least like two people, and then so you can have conversations or like back to back opinions or so, oh sorry, I keep like yeah, that's why like I need to keep the train of thought. So I drew with brush pen on on a paper, and then I used the phone uh, document option, which in the camera your phone basically becomes like a scanner. So I choose black and white, so it only extracts the lines, and I basically just import that image to Clip Studio Paint, and I basically sorry rasterize that layer, or I just merge it with a normal layer so that you can change it. Uh, I mean, if you want to change it, because I had some things to erase, like for example here, there's this little line here. Okay, so but if you don't have anything to erase, you can actually just go and take the layer, put it in multiply, and then it will be like this, where when you color um, underneath, you'll have the line art on top. And in terms of, because I intend to post this on Instagram, so vertical, now Instagram has changed to vertical. They just keep changing. I mean, they don't really care about. And yeah, basically, let's just export this and uh, upload to Instagram. Now, I also will put the speech bubbles in, I have to color them with a white background. But I'm not going to do that because, like I said, I don't want to ruin the comic. So you just have to go to Instagram to see that. But what I wanted to say, yeah, the earthquake. I mean, yes, we are a little bit, no, we're scared. Uh, but what can you do? You can't just, you can't predict these things, and we're just lucky that, uh, like, I'm fine, and I'm alive, and my friends are alive, and I also told them that because when it hit, my friends came to see us at our booth, and so basically when it was happening, we were kind of like staring at each other, like not understanding what's happening until we figured that there was the earthquake. There was an earthquake. So uh, I guess I'm doing the. No, it's okay. I'll let you read. Um, Maybe this will be the thumbnail, like this. What do you think? Um, yeah, we're fine, and thank you for watching. And if you please interact with me, feel free to interact with me in the comments. And thank you so much. This is Sketchman Joe. I can't even say. This is Sketchman Boris signing off.